Hello friends, welcome to my channel Rocky Video. Today we'll discuss about judiciary. Judiciary है क्या? Let's start the video. Structure of judiciary. Supreme Court of India. Its decisions are binding on all courts. Can transfer judge to High Court. Can move cases from any court to itself. Can transfer cases from one high to another. In High Court, can hear appeals from lower courts, can issue rights for restoring fundamental rights, can deal with cases within the jurisdiction of the state, exercises superintendent and control over courts below it. In District Court, deals with cases arising in the district, considers appeals on decision given by lower courts, decides cases involving serious criminal offences, and rest all in subordinate courts. How is it ensured? Judges are appointed by the President of India. They enjoy a fixed tenure. Removal is through a difficult process of impeachment. It is financially independent. Actions and decisions of the judge are immune from personal Christians. Power to penalize contempt of courts. Parliament cannot discuss the conduct of the judges. Types of court in India. There are three types of courts in India: Supreme Court, High Court, and District Court. In India, judicial system. The three-tiered system of India judiciary comprises of Supreme Court, New Delhi, as its helm. High Court is standing at the head of state judicial system, followed by district and session court in judicial district, into which the states are divided. The lower rung of the system then comprise of courts of civil, judges and criminals, judicial and metropolitan magistrate jurisdictions. And last 2 points. Besides, a number of judicial tribunals have been set up in specialized areas. The significant tribunals are Company Law Boards, Securities Appellate Tribunal, Competition, Commissioner of India (CCI), Consumer Protection Forum, Board of Industrial and Financial Construction, Customs and Excise Control Tribunal, Tax Tribunal, etc. As you are seeing in the picture structure, Supreme Court, High Court, and District Court. And after District Court, there are three: Civil Judge, Small Civil Cases, and Criminal Magistrate. The Supreme Court. On the 28th January 1950, the Supreme Court came into being. The judges of the Supreme Court at the time of inauguration were Chief Justice Harilal J. Kenya and Justice Syed Fazl Ali, Patanjali Sasins, Mehar Chandra Maharjan, Bijan Kumar Mukherjee, and S.R. Das. The first Attorney General for India was Mr. M.C. Setwat. The Supreme Court of India comprises the Chief Justice and not more than 30 other judges appointed by President of India. The proceedings of the Supreme Court are conducted in English only. The registry of the Supreme Court is headed by the Registrar General. Term length: age of 65 years. Constitutional instrument: Constitutions of India under Article 124. Formation 1950. First holder: Justice H. J. Kania, 26/1/1950 to 6/11/1951. Final holder: Justice Rajendra Mal Lohta, 27/4/2014 to 27/9/2014. Appointment of judges. Appointed by the President of India, citizen of India, High Court judge for at least 5 years, or High Court advocate for at least 10 years, or district justice, jurist, sorry. Hold office till the age of 65. Condition: a judge of the Supreme Court shall not be removed from his office except by any order of the President passed after an address by each House of Parliament, supported by the majority of a total membership of the House, and by a majority of not less than two-thirds of the members of that House present. And voting has been precedent to the President in the same season for such removal on the ground of proved misbehavior on incapacity, Article 124 for Constitution of India. District courts in India. In Andhra Pradesh 23, Assam 23, Chhattisgarh 16, Goa 2, Madhya Pradesh 48, Maharashtra 35, Uttarakhand 13, Uttar Pradesh 70, Tamil Nadu 29, Rajasthan 33, Gujarat 26, West Bengal 23. District codes in Union Territories: Chandigarh 1, Dadra and Nagar Haveli 1, Daman and Diu 2, Lakshadweep 1, Puducherry 4. In village courts called Lok Adalat, people courts or Nyay Panchayat, justice of the village, compose a system of alternative disputes resolution. I hope you like the video. So please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thanks for watching my channel Rocky Bridge.